Okay.
What's that?
Kitty cat! A crown! It's a crown!
Yeah. So this is from Great Grandma.
Uh-huh. Now can I open this?
Yeah.
Okay.
You want my help?
Nope.
Be gentle. That looks like the picture frame. Let's look inside. Oh.
A baby? It's for me!
Yeah. What is that?
Oh, he's so cute!
I think that's for your room.
Open it.
Yeah, take this off. Okay. Maybe just open the box. It's a tea set. It's called Hey Diddle Diddle tea set. See the little plates? Oh, there's a cup. And there's a plate. You gotta be really careful with it. And there's a plate. Do you know that? Hey Diddle Diddle, the cat and the fiddle? Do you know that one?
I got it.
See, it says, for you, granddaughter, with love. Oh, isn't that a cute snail? Lady, happy birthday to a very special, wonderful, beautiful granddaughter. There's Grampy's, your purse. Like, you remember your little mouse? Where is that, Zuzu? Here. Wonder what this is.
Nonsense hammer.
Oh, it's new Zuzu! A new Zuzu mouse.
Ah! Isn't it cute? Can you open it here?
Hey, Ben, why don't you give her some space, okay? Ben. Oh my gosh!
That's
No way! It's the Zuzu. What is it?
wow.
Zuzu Princess. Let's see.
Let's open it.
Crystal ball.
Grandma D remembered you, Ben, for your unbirthday.
And Grandpa.
And Grandpa.
What's the card say? What's that saying there? This one's for Ben. We love you too.
Oh, that's sweet. What is it, Bet? Ooh, that's cool.
See, this one's this little cute.
Oh, yeah.
What is it?
What kind of book is that, Ben?
Oh, Toy Story?
Wow. No, that's
He's just looking at it, honey. He's just looking at it. Because that would be worse. If they're close.
She's downstairs. Or
Here, let's walk that way.
she's...
Get up. Okay.
Okay, sweetie.
Missy, you want some coffee?
Do you want me to go downstairs to wait?
Got it.
Kira, you want a snack over there?
All kinds of birthdays. You tell me when you want more.
Yeah, you get the first guy.
Yeah, it's looking good.
It's a big roll.
Big lemon. white chocolate.
Pearl. Fairy. Are you the Oh, Fairy Princess.
Of course.
Hang time.
There you go.